Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Karate Survivor game is crashing, freezing or lagging problem on your PC. Guys, I will show you the very effective solution. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the Karate Survivor game, then just click on the gear icon of your game, then go to your game property. Now here you will see the option of enable the Steam overlay while in game. So just turn off this option. Once you turn it off, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then go to the update now. Here simply update your game. Once you update your game, as patches may fix the problem, so just try this. Then go to the install file, then click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so you just need to wait for it, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, so the next solution that you can try is simply update your Windows or graphic drivers. Go to the Windows setup, hit the update, and simply open up the Windows update. Then simply update your Windows. If your graphic cards are not updated, then simply update your graphic card first and update your Windows. Then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed and if you are getting the crashing or freezing or the lagging error, so the next solution that you can try is the solution that works for everyone. So just try the solution. Just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. So once you click on the browse option, it will take you to the folder where your game is installed. So make a right click on your game launcher or reject the file of your game. So go to its property, then click on the compatibility. Now here just uncheck the box. Also uncheck this box, then just check the box of administrator, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization. Then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. As if your problem is still not fixed, so just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Once you choose here the Windows 8, then click on the plan. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, try all of the solution and see which work for you. And I hope one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please like this video and bye bye and take care.